Okay guys, we're going to learn about dividing today. Okay, so I gave you guys a packet of, I think they were nerds to use for this page, okay? But I don't have nerds, so I'm going to use beans instead. All right, so each one of these is each of your classmates. So you can pick out who is who. I'm not sure which is which. They all have very open mouths, so we're going to feed them, okay? This is making it fair. Remember how we used to do that? We used to talk about playing the games and making it fair. We're dividing it up. All right, let's see how many beans we have. I'm going to count them by twos. It's a half one. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and then we have one left over. Let's see. How many? Now, sometimes when you're dividing, you have one left over, and that is called the remainder. But we will talk about that later. Let's see. All right, one for you, one for you, one for you, one for you, one for you. All right, so there's one. So 15 divided by, we have 7 here. How many do they each get? Everybody gets 2, and there's a remainder of 1. See that? So we divided 15 by 7, and that would equal 2. That looks funny, right? All right, so 15 divided by 7 is 2 with a remainder of 1. That means that's an odd number, right? Because it isn't divided all the way equally. So 15, okay? So that means that 14, I took away 1, so there's 14 beans left. And I divided it by 7, and that would equal 2. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Goes both ways. All right, so 7, let's see. All right, that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's see how many, there's 21 right here. 21 beans. And we're going to divide it by 7 again because there's 7 classmates right there. Okay, so let's see. How many do you guys think everybody would get? Sometimes you can guess at math and just see if it works out, and you can try again. That's a lot. Dividing actually is like that a little bit, especially when you get in big numbers. Let's try 3. You want to try 3? 3 for you. 3 for you. 3 for you. You. It's even. It worked out. It's all fair. Okay, so 21 divided by 7 is 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And you can go the other way too. You can say 21 divided by 3 is 7. All right. You guys can try that with different numbers. Sometimes you'll have remainders and sometimes you won't. Anyway, let us go on to the division page. Okay. All right, you see how we wrote this out? Right, 8 divided by 2 is 4. See? We wrote out how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you see how many 2's are in the 8. Okay? All right, so we put 8 little dots. 8, see? Matches the 8. Divided by 2. So you see how many 2's are there. You circle them. Remember to circle them? There's 4 2's. So that's the answer. There's 4 2's in 8. 4 2's in 8. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We've done this a lot already. So most of you guys are going to get this already, okay? So look here. See? 6 divided by 3 is 2. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And then you see how many 3's are in 6. How many 3's are in 6? 1 3, 2 3's, 2. There are 2 3's in 6. Okay, and that's how you divide. All right, so you see how many 3's you can find in 6, and there's 2. You see how many 2's you can find in 8, and that's 4. You see? All right, let's do these. Now remember, there's 2 different ways to write division. You can write it out like this. That's how we normally have been doing it. You can also use the division sign, okay? So the way you would say that, this one is 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals, okay? So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find how many 3's there are in 9, okay? So let's circle them. 1 3, 2 3's. Whoops, I didn't circle that one all the way. 3 3's. There are 3 3's in 9, okay? So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Let's do this one, okay? So let's write out 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 2's can you find in 6? 6 divided by 2. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 2's. 1 2, 2 2's, 3 2's. There are 3 2's in 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Oh, I forgot I was going to put the answer up here too. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3, 2. Now we're going to do a little bit of a bigger number. 12 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, that almost went to the other number. Okay, so we're going to see how many 4's there are in 12. So we're going to circle each 4. 1 4, 2 4's, 3 4's. So how many 4's are there in 12? 3. So that means that 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you found 3 4's in 12, right? Okay, here's the last one we're going to do. Okay, 10 divided by 2. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is kind of like counting by 2's on this one, okay? So we'll use this one to kind of practice counting by 2's, okay? So here we go. How many 2's are in 10? 1, 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See that? 1 2, 2 2's, 3 2's, 4 2's, 5 2's. So 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. Now when you doing the division, you always go all the way over this way. So we're going to put the 5 over the 0. Okay? 10 divided by 2 is 5 because there are 5 2's in 10. You guys got that? We'll do this. We're going to do this more next year too. Okay? So you guys got that, and there's also another page you guys can practice on. All right, that's it.